Welcome to the second upload of the International Auto Show. Starting you off with this Mercedes SUV, pretty nice design. We've got Bentleys coming up, Jaguars. I've got a very nice red Ferrari. I can't wait till I show you. Probably one of my favorite cars in the auto show. There's a classic Mercedes that's going to be displayed as well. Stunning, absolutely stunning. For outdoorsy people, there's a Jeep with a tent, and that one will be nice as well, and a few other vehicles. So here is the Ferrari coming up. Amazing color and spectacular design. Enjoy. 3, 2, 1, 0. Just jaw-dropping, really. This is a pretty risque color design. Very nice lift on this Mercedes SUV. Here's a one-man vehicle. Pretty interesting. Got a nice party boat coming up. Looks like a rocket, this one. And of course, we've got the classic Mercedes I was talking about. And here's that vehicle. Just absolutely mint condition. And very nice looking. Really excited about this Jeep. It's got a tent on top, so you can pretty much go camping anywhere. It's absolutely an amazing idea. And on the left hand side right here, you can see another part of the tent where you can put a table or, you know, relax and keep away from the bugs. So this concludes the second upload. I'll be making the rest of the uploads pretty quick. If you haven't done so, subscribe and click the bell button so you're notified when those uploads are made. Hope you liked the video, and thanks to the subscribers, and thanks for watching.